This is the ultimate travel companion. So if you're on the road a lot, or if you have family members that are on the road a lot, this would be the perfect gift for them. As you can see, there are many aspects to this travel luggage. First off, there is the removable clapboard, which makes it very easy to take out and have a look at what you've got packed in your bag. It also has another divider so that you can keep your clothing or your work clothing and your leisure clothes separate. And as you can see, it has buckles to fasten to the luggage, and this will ensure that your things stay organized and separated. The pockets of the clapboard are made of mesh material, which are very breathable depending on what you're packing. Now, I'm going to close this, and I'm going to show you. These are combination locks, and these are TSA friendly, so that if they ever need to inspect your bag, they won't be damaging the locking mechanism that you are using. This luggage also has aluminum bumpers to help it protect it, because you know they get bumped around a lot. Also, these are aluminum ergonomic handles that always return to their original position, so that if you put your bag down, maybe you put it down on the side, it won't teeter or fall over. It comes with 4 high-quality wheels, so that you can pull it through the airport with no huss and no fuss. So, if you're like me and you're on the road a lot, this is the bag for you. Oh, side note, if you are checking this bag in at the airport, I would suggest that you put a protective cover on it, because it's not scratch resistant, but it is made of heat resisting ABS resin and PC, which means that it's durable, it's lightweight, and impact resistant. So this is a very good bag.